Have you ever wondered what secrets lie hidden in the heart of a dark forest? What stories could these silent trees tell? Welcome to the enigma of dark forests, a world shrouded in mystery and intrigue. These are places where the sun struggles to pierce the dense canopy, where shadows dance on the forest floor, and where the air carries a certain chill that whispers tales of the unknown. At first glance, a dark forest may seem like a monolith of towering trees and impenetrable undergrowth. However, the reality is far more complex. Each forest is a unique ecosystem, teeming with life and rich in diversity. From the minute organisms that dwell in the leaf litter, to the majestic creatures that claim the forest as their home, these forests are a treasure trove of biodiversity. The trees with their gnarled branches and thick foliage dominate the landscape, but they are more than just silent observers. They stand as guardians of the forest, providing shelter to its inhabitants and maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Yet the allure of dark forests extends beyond their ecological significance. Their enigmatic nature has shaped our perceptions and influenced our stories for centuries. For some, these forests are places of fear and danger, a realm where light is scarce and the unknown lurks in every corner. The mere thought of venturing into these woods can send shivers down the spine, a testament to the power of the unknown. On the other hand, for others, dark forests are sanctuaries of peace and solitude. They offer an escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, a place to reconnect with nature and find tranquility. The silence of the forest, broken only by the rustling of leaves and the occasional call of a bird, can have a calming effect, allowing one to reflect and rejuvenate. These contrasting perceptions highlight the dual nature of dark forests. They are places of mystery and beauty, fear and fascination, danger and sanctuary. Indeed, dark forests have a strange way of arousing curiosity and fear in equal measure. Now, imagine the creatures that call these shadowy forests their home. How do they adapt to such a unique environment? In the gloom of the dark forest, where sunlight is but a fleeting guest, life has found a way to not just exist, but flourish. The flora and fauna here have evolved over eons to master the art of survival in this twilight realm. Let's start with the green carpet that blankets the forest floor, the moss. These tiny plants have adapted to low light conditions, absorbing moisture and nutrients directly from the air and rain. They thrive in the damp, dark underbelly of the forest, providing a vital layer of insulation and preventing soil erosion. Then we have the fungi, the decomposers of the forest. They are the recyclers of the woodland world, breaking down dead organic matter and returning vital nutrients to the soil. In the shadows, they form a network of invisible threads, a hidden web that connects the life of the forest in a symbiotic relationship. The fauna of the dark forest is equally fascinating. Nocturnal animals like owls, bats, and certain species of insects have all evolved to make the most of the darkness. With enhanced hearing or sight or even the ability to echolocate, these creatures navigate the night with a precision that rivals any day dweller. Insects too have found their niche in this twilight world. Many have developed heightened senses to find food and avoid predators in the dark. Some, like fireflies, even produce their own light, creating a mesmerizing spectacle in the darkest corners of the forest. These adaptations, unique to each species, form a complex tapestry of life that is as diverse as it is fascinating. From the smallest moss to the largest predator, each has found its place in the ecosystem, and each plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of this shadowy realm. In the heart of the darkness, life finds a way to not just survive, but truly thrive. Dark forests have been the backdrop of countless stories and myths, but what truth lies behind these tales? In the vast tapestry of folklore and mythology, dark forests have often played pivotal roles. They are places of mystery, danger, and transformation, a boundary between the known and the unknown. Let's delve into a few of these tales. From the ancient Celts, we have tales of the Caledonian Forest, a place teeming with spirits, both benevolent and malevolent. This forest was thought to be a gateway to another world, a realm where time and space behave differently. It was a place where heroes were tested, and where ordinary mortals could stumble upon extraordinary adventures. In Slavic mythology, we find the tale of Baba Yaga, a witch who lived deep within a forest in a hut that stood on chicken legs. To the uninitiated, the forest was a maze of confusion and danger. Only those with pure hearts and brave spirits could navigate its depths and emerge unscathed. Across the world, in the dense jungles of South America, indigenous tribes speak of the Curupira, a forest spirit with backwards feet, entrusted with the protection of the wilderness. Those who disrespect the forest often find themselves lost, their sense of direction confounded by the mischievous spirit. These stories, varied as they are, all share common themes. They depict the forest as a place of mystery and danger, yes, but also as a place of profound wisdom and transformation. These narratives have shaped our perception of dark forests, painting them as places to be feared, respected, and, above all, preserved. The stories we tell about dark forests are a reflection of our collective subconscious. They speak to our primal instincts, to our fears and our curiosities. They remind us that there are still places in this world that remain untamed, places where the line between the natural and the supernatural is blurred. These stories, though woven from imagination, reflect our innate fascination and fear of the unknown. From fairy tales to contemporary cinema, the dark forest has always been a compelling setting. But why is it so? The answer lies in the way we perceive these shadowy expanses, not just as physical places, but as psychological landscapes that mirror our deepest fears and desires. In literature, the dark forest often serves as a symbol of the subconscious, a place of transformation and self-discovery. Think of The Lord of the Rings by J.R.R. Tolkien, where the forest is a place of danger but also a path to personal growth. Or the Harry Potter series by J.K. Rowling, where the Forbidden Forest is a place of mystery and magic, reflecting the complexity of the human mind. Moving to the realm of film, the dark forest becomes a metaphor for the unknown. In classics like The Blair Witch Project or The Evil Dead, the forest embodies the fear of what lies beyond our control or understanding. It's the setting for suspense, a canvas upon which our anxieties are projected. In the world of video games, the dark forest often serves as a challenging terrain that tests the player's courage and resourcefulness. From the haunting woods of the Witcher series to the mystical landscapes of The Legend of Zelda, these forests are designed to evoke a sense of awe and intrigue, pushing players to explore and conquer their fears. These representations have shaped our understanding of dark forests, making them not just geographical features, but pivotal elements in storytelling. They're places of danger, mystery, and transformation, reflecting the human journey through the unknown. But it's important to remember that these are just interpretations, born out of our collective need to make sense of the world around us. In reality, forests are complex ecosystems, home to a diverse range of species that play a crucial role in maintaining the planet's health. As we can see, the dark forest continues to captivate our collective imagination, serving as a metaphor for the unknown. Despite their ominous reputation, dark forests play a crucial role in our planet's health. But how so, you may wonder? Well, let's delve into it. Firstly, these dense, shadowy woods are powerhouses of carbon sequestration. As they grow, the trees of these forests absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, turning it into biomass and releasing oxygen back into the air. This process not only purifies the air, but also helps combat climate change by reducing the amount of greenhouse gases. It's a quiet, constant battle these forests wage on our behalf. Moreover, dark forests are a haven for a myriad of unique species. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, these forests provide habitats for creatures that cannot thrive elsewhere. The thick canopies and rich soils teem with life, creating a complex and interconnected ecosystem that is both beautiful and essential. But the wonders of dark forests stretch beyond their carbon-storing capacity and their role as habitats. They are also vital in maintaining global biodiversity. Each dark forest is a world unto itself, supporting a variety of plant and animal species, many of which are yet to be discovered. This biodiversity is not just fascinating, it is crucial for the health of our planet. It contributes to the stability of ecosystems, supports human livelihoods, and even holds potential for scientific discoveries that could change our world. However, these forests are under threat. Deforestation, climate change, and urbanization are just some of the challenges they face. Protecting these dark forests is not just about preserving their mystery and allure, it's about safeguarding the indispensable ecological services they provide. So the next time you think of a dark forest, remember us. It's not just a place of mystery, but also a vital part of our world that needs our care and protection. Let's do our part in conserving these precious ecosystems, for they hold the key to our planet's health and our future.